IELTS taught me not only a language but also discipline, patience, and self belief. Although the journey was not easy, it helped me grow as a learner and as a person. Hi, this is Janati. I am from Rangpur. 3 months ago, I came to Dhaka. I admitted of English fantasy for IELTS preparation. I completed my basic course here. My IELTS journey has been a challenging and meaningful experience. At the beginning, I was afraid of speaking English and made many mistakes in grammar and pronunciation. However, I did not give up. I started practicing every day by listening to many English videos, reading articles, and speaking in front of in a mirror. Gradually, day by day, my confidence improved. IELTS taught me not only a language but also discipline, patience, and self belief. Although the journey was not easy, it helped me grow as a learner and as a person. Uh, I believe that with my hard work and consistency and more practice, I can achieve my desired IELTS band score. Thank you so much, everyone.